असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, this is BVKR. So in this session, we will discuss about the class 7 chapter 3 using algebraic equations in solving day-to-day problems. So what are the day-to-day problems, how that algebraic equations are used? To know that, we will consider about one example here. The total number of boys and girls in a class is 72. If the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, find the number of boys. So here the total number of boys and girls together is 72. Okay, that is clear. But what is the number of girls? The number of girls are 10 more than that of boys. If you know, it is very clear to know about the number of girls. What it is very clear. If when we know the number of boys, it is very easy to find out the number of girls. But there is no number of boys. Then how do we find the number of girls? Yeah, so that is an unknown value to us to find here. So finally the step is find the number of boys. Yes, what we in this problem we are going to be learned about the number of boys. To find the number of boys, so let us assume the number of boys to be x, because we don't know, we unknown whatever the unknown numbers, we assume that some letters like x, y, z and so on. Right here, so we don't know about, do you know the number of boys? We don't know. That's why we take the, assume that the number of boys to be x. Okay, when boys are x, and what about the girls? The number of girls will be here in this, have you read about the number of girls, how many? The number of girls is 10 more than that of boys. Yeah, when boys are x number, the girls will be x plus 10. Our total boys and girls in the class is x boys plus x plus 10 girls. Right? Boys and girls together, x plus x, 2x plus 10. This is the total number of boys and girls in the class is 2x plus 10. Yeah, according to the problem, the total number of boys and girls is 72. Here it is there. Total number of boys and girls in the class is 72. So according to the problem, this is the total number of boys and girls. This is equals to 72. So solving the equation here by transposing the terms from RH to the LHS, LH to the RHS. Right, to make solving the equation, the first step is keep 2x here and 10 transpose to other side, 72 minus 10. So 2x is equals to 62. Right, 2x, 2 into x, take a subject x and take this to other side, 62 by 2, 2 ones, 2 31s. Right, so x, what is the x? We get x as 31. What is x? The number of boys. The number of boys are 31. Right, here we just write down. So number of boys be x, so that is equals to 31. Next, what about the number of girls? X plus 10. So x is 31 plus 10, that is equals to 41 girls. If you add 31 and 41, we get 72 is the total of the girls and boys. Yes, the question is given is 72. So our solution also is correct. So if we consider that exercise 3, question number 1, write the information given in the picture in the form of an equation. Also find x in the following figure. So what is there here? The length of the spoon. The length of the spoon, this is from here to this end, this is 15 centimeters, and here this from here to here it is x centimeters, and from here to here the 11 centimeters. So what is the, by looking at this picture and form an equation and also find the x in the following figure. So from the figure, x plus 11, that is equals to 15 centimeters. That means x centimeter plus 11 centimeter, that is equals to 15 centimeter. Here we can see this x centimeters plus 11 centimeters, the distance of here, this is, it is equals to 15 centimeters, right? Now what is x? We can solve this equation by using the transposing method. Then x is equals to 15 and transpose this 11 plus 11 to other side, it will become 11 minus 11, then x is equals to 4 centimeters.